Now, to add the horse on, what we're going to do is we're going to lift our right heel off the floor. So now we're engaging a little calf muscle, right? Let's drop that heel down. Let's lift that other heel up off the floor. And down we go. Let's do it again. Let's lift and lower. Other side, it's lift and lower. Let's go ahead and bring our hands down. Bring your feet in a little bit and do that internal rotation. Okay, so the last thing we're going to add in our horse pose is we're going to lift both heels at the same time, okay? So here we go. Bring the knees out. If you want to widen that stance a little, that's great. High on those sits bones. Think about your alignment. Go post arms. Squeeze those shoulder blades back behind. Lift that heart. All right, are we ready? This is our goddess pose. We're going to add horse. Excuse me. Here we go. Lift that right heel off the floor and put it down. Lift that left heel off the floor and down. All right, are we ready? We're going to lift one and we're going to lift the other. So we're up on our tippy toes and then bring one down and bring the other one down. Let's do it again. It's lift and lift. Feel that stretch. Feel that work in those calves. Down and down. Let's do it again. Lift and lift. Squeeze those shoulder blades behind. Don't lose your arms. Down and down. One more time. Lift and lift. Belly tight. Spine long. Down and down. Bring your hands down. Bring the feet in a little bit and let those knees fold in for a little internal hip rotation.